Hi there, students. Machiavellian. Okay, Machiavellian is an adjective. It means to achieve your goals using tricks, cunning, schemes, and dishonest methods. We use the word Machiavellian particularly commonly in politics or in people advancing their career. So if somebody is described as Machiavellian, they are trying to get what they want by using all means, fair or foul. His Machiavellian schemes helped him to become the Prime Minister of the country. If you want to reach the high echelons, the high levels of management in this company, you are going to have to be very Machiavellian. So Machiavellian, amoral, opportunist, expediency or efficiency is more important than morals. Through a series of Machiavellian maneuvers, he became the absolute dictator of the country. So I think politics by its nature is very Machiavellian. You can do anything you want as long as you don't get caught, as long as people can't actually see you doing it. And if you are Machiavellian, it's easier to gain power. Now, this word Machiavellian comes from Niccolo Machiavelli, who was a late 15th century, early 16th century Florentine. That's in Italy. And he wrote that politics is like a board game, but played using deception, trickery, and crime. And then he gave advice to tyrants about how to maintain their power. Okay, so if you are Machiavellian, you are a narcissistic psychopath. You use very clever but usually dishonest methods to gain power. So a Machiavellian politician will turn any situation to make himself look good. I think the Machiavellian politicians at the moment are trying to make everyone believe how wonderfully they have acted and how efficient they have been in this COVID crisis, even though it's probably not true. So a couple of points. Normally this word Machiavellian, when you write it, is with a capital M because it's related to a person. And notice Machiavellian can be one L or two. Most commonly it's two L's. And Machiavellian is a very negative adjective. So what about formality? I think I'd probably give it 6.5, maybe 7 in formality. You might use it in an informal conversation, but dishonest, tricky, sly, something like that. I think it's probably better for something semi-formal or very formal. Okay? So, Machiavellian, using all sorts of tricks and anything available to gain power, to become more powerful. So there you go, Machiavellian. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Machiavellian.